Hey everyone, this is Mohit. Welcome back to my channel. Today's session a bit theoretical but super important. So we will covering about the different targeting methods in UiPath, especially strict and fuzzy. Trust me, this is very super important for interviews too. Let's talk about the basic information about targeting methods in UiPath modern activities. Targeting methods help UiPath identify UI elements more reliably. Basically, modern activities use multiple targeting methods together to make selectors stronger and automation more stable. In this image, UiPath offers 5 targeting methods. The very first one is strict selector, then we have fuzzy selector, then going forward we have image, native text and computer vision. Now let's understand the difference between strict selectors, fuzzy selectors and computer vision in UiPath. Strict selectors are very accurate and very detailed selectors that UiPath uses to identify a UI element exactly if the website or an application really changes. Strict selectors are the perfect example. Even a small UI change, example title changes, ID change, version update, might break them. Best when your bot must click the exact element, not a similar one. It commonly uses in CRM internal app, ERP screen, and back office tool. Now we have fuzzy selector. It allows UiPath to match elements even if the selector is not 100% same every time. Fuzzy selectors are flexible selectors that allow UiPath to find an element even if the UI changes slightly. I will explain this in the next slide with an example. Now comes to the next, computer vision. Computer vision selectors allow UiPath to see the screen like a human using AI. It fails only when the UI becomes too blurry or visually distorted. It normally useful for remote desktops, Citrix environment, and virtual machines, etc. The main question arises the order of execution, priority of strict versus fuzzy selectors in UiPath. Very first one, priority goes to the strict selector first. UiPath tries exact match. If strict fails, then it goes to the fuzzy selectors. Next, we will focus on the key concepts you need to know about the strict selectors. Even a small UI change, example title changes, ID change, and version update, might break them. On the left side, you can see the working selector of the button labeled click me single exclamation mark. Now, when we change the button text to click single exclamation mark, the selector gets impacted even with such a small UI change. So as you can see here, you may have noticed an attribute called check in the selector which forces a strict match. Now we have another type called fuzzy selectors that are flexible selectors that allow UiPath to find an element even if the UI changes slightly. Even if the text changes to click me double exclamation mark, the fuzzy selector still works. In the selector, you can see the AA name is still click me single exclamation mark, but UI shows click me double exclamation mark and it still works. You will also notice the fuzzy level is equal to 0.8, meaning the match must be 80% similar, and you can explore the other available parameters too. As you can see here, 1.0 means must be an exact match. 0.8, as discussed, needs to be 80% similar. Then we have 0.6, that means a loose match, more tolerant. Then we have last 0.4, very loose, may match wrong elements. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support really keeps me motivated to create more awesome videos. Thank you everyone.